Rigor Human Resources module is designed to manage HR and HSE functions, including onboarding, dismissal, change management, and safety. It's typical for HR teams to use 5 or more systems to keep track of everything. This makes data entry and management difficult and time-consuming, which often leads to duplications and incorrect information. The Rigor HR module stores and keeps track of sensitive data automatically in a single and secure electronic database. Built-in roles and permissions enable access for authorized users to enter and edit information, minimizing the risk of errors and duplications. The system allows to automate tasks and set reminders, helping to manage day-to-day administration activities, focusing on what's really important. With all information up to date and organized through dozens of reports and dashboards, it's easy to identify issues quickly and resolve them with minimum impact. Access full history for every employee: hiring, dismissal, promotion, demotion, vacations, and transfers. Track employee credentials and get notification on expiration dates. Rigor automatically gathers all billable hours your employees worked, divides them in categories, and calculates total amount for payroll, and transfers that information directly to your payroll software. To see Human Resources module in action, book a demo today.